Hi there, that concludes the handbook walkthrough. I hope this was helpful to you, and I do encourage you to read the handbook on your own, but also review it from time to time, especially near the end of the semester before you move into clinicals. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, my email address is amy.yost@mercycollege.edu. That's spelled amy.jost@mercycollege.edu, or you may contact me by calling 513-300-0607. Here on the screen, you'll see the Ophthalmic Technology Program Handbook Acknowledgement Statement. Once you have thoroughly read the handbook, please fill in your name and also sign and date the acknowledgement, and then return that to me at my email address. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much, and good luck with the program. I look forward to getting to know you better and working with you, collaborating with you through this next 2 semesters. Take care.